Hello everyone, today I'll be walking you through on how to achieve stunning defined waves. If you have fine or medium textured waves, I recommend beginning with our Gentle Clarifying Shampoo to cleanse the scalp thoroughly. For those dealing with dryness, try our Pure Silk Moisturizing Shampoo for an extra hydration boost. For those experiencing some buildup, our Turmeric Purifying Hair and Scalp Mask is a great option for a deeper cleanse. Follow that up with our Super Smooth Cream Conditioner to nourish and smooth your hair. After that, treat your hair with the Ayurvedic Deep Conditioner for ultimate softness. Now that the hair is cleansed, we'll move on to styling. For fine to medium waves, our Avocado and Rose Oil Clump and Define Cream will help shape and define your waves beautifully. But if your hair leans on the coarse side, swap that out for our Moisture Balance Leave-In Conditioner to give those strands the extra softness they need. When styling, sectioning is the most important part. You can also add some finishing touches. A light mist of hairspray or a dab of oil will give the hair that radiant shine and long-lasting hold. And there you have it, gorgeous defined waves.